This is Mother Nature's superfood. Ditch your multivitamin, peeps. And let me show you how to make this yummy right now. All right, you guys, so this is about a ½ pound of liver. And for those who are too freaked out to just pan fry it straight out of the package, what you do to get rid of the metallic taste is you're going to run it under water. Running it under water will help pull out the iron, which is giving it that metallic taste. Now, hopefully you got a filter on your tap. There, you can see it. And what we want to do is just allow the water to pull the iron out. It'll start to turn light in color, and that's the iron that is so good for us, especially menstruating women, coming out. But that's what gives it its metallic taste. Okay, so after I've let it drain and start to turn a lighter color, this is probably after about 15 minutes, I'll start to cut the membrane off. Now normally I just sear my liver, but before I do that I like to cut off the membrane here. That's the membrane. It's a little like chewing gum. Okay, so here you can see this is the liver that it's turned a white color. That's the iron being pulled out, so it doesn't have that metallic taste. Then I'm going to place it in the butter with a little bit of Himalayan salt and Celtic salt and let it marinate there another 15 to 20 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to go straight to the skillet. All right, so now I have and I added extra butter. So I have the butter and the liver all on my frying pan, and it's got a little bit of water from the excess water from rinsing it, which then if it builds up too much, I just strain the water out and add more butter. So let's wait for As you can see, guys, we have our liver sauteing in butter. I added extra butter. And it's a little watery because of a little bit of the water left over from rinsing it. But I've added just the Celtic and the Himalayan salt as my spice for those carnivore people. And let's wait for the results. Yes. Bam! And here is the result. Super simple. That's a bit... And here's the result. This is about 1.5 ounces. This is a serving size for your multivitamin per day, as you can see on the plate. That's how you get down the liver. Now you can add spring onions to it, the green part of the spring onion, and you are good to go. This is so delicious. Bam! There's your multivitamin. And this is how you get your multivitamin in.